before I start my wing, I'm going to have kind of a long tail and like about 18 inches. And then I'm going to start my chains from there, and you're going to use that long tail to attach the wing. So make sure you keep it there. Now we're going to chain 7. And to make the wing, we're going to work on both sides of this chain. So on the second chain from the hook, we're going to single crochet, and then single crochet, half double crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, and then in the last stitch, or the last chain, I suppose, we're going to double crochet 6 times. So that's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Now on the other side of the chains, we're going to double crochet in the next, and then half double crochet, and then another half double crochet, and then a single crochet, and then finally one more single crochet. And then I join to that first single crochet, and we're going to fasten off here. There's your wing. And I leave about a 6-8-inch tail, and we're going to use that to make a little crease at the top of the wing. So you'll just take this and you'll weave your way back to the rounded part, which will be the part that you'll attach to the actual body of your goose. And I'm going to fold it in, like just pinch that top closed just a tiny bit, and then just secure it with a few stitches. It doesn't have to be anything too fancy or worry about it too much. It just kind of helps keep the shape. Then just weave that end in and snip it off. Now I'm using this long tail that we left when we made the chains, and we're going to use that to attach it to the body of the goose. It's between about rows 12 and 13. You're going to go through the entire body. Try to make sure it's straight as you can. And you're just going to pull it through. Then you're going to go up a stitch and go back through the body and through the wing. And you're going to repeat that a couple of times. And when you're done, you're going to bring your needle through the bottom of the body, through a hole, and you'll just leave that there for now. We're going to attach the other wing. It's exactly the same, except for now you'll go through the other wing a couple times as well. And then when you're done, you're going to bring your needle through the exact same hole as the other end that you did, and you're going to pull that end through, and then tie a knot. And then you'll take your needle and go through the same hole and just pull the end through, That'll bring the knot inside of the body. And then when you're done with that, you're going to just snip off those ends and you'll be good to go. And the bonus for attaching it this way is your little wings can move.